They're all in line. And they're off. Very even start. Sweeping Silk right out toward the lead. Third Dimension going to run with him in the early going. Storm This comes out running in third. LaCour is up on his outside. Jacob Shamrock fifth down along the rail and only 3.5 lengths off the lead. No speed from Master at Arms or Camptown Kid. They are the trailers in the field, strung out over about 9 lengths and led off by Sweeping Silk and Jorge Chavez. It is Sweeping Silk, just the leader toward the far turn, but Third Dimension sticking right to him and pressing from the outside. Third Dimension now draws to within about a neck of the lead. These two have cleared off now from Storm This, who's trying to get involved from third, but he's now 6 lengths off the pace. Jacob Shamrock is struggling down on the inside. LaCour is up alongside of him. Then Master at Arms, Camptown Kid, has never been in it this afternoon, and Sweeping Silk is going well on the front end. Sweeping Silk opens up to the head of the stretch. Storm This is coming out of the pack to chase him from the outer. Third Dimension is also right there. Now Sweeping Silk is starting to get weary. Sweeping Silk hand-ridden, but they're coming to him now. Storm This, Third Dimension, and Master at Arms coming best of all on the grandstand side. Here comes Master at Arms and Ariel Smith, and they sweep right on by the field. Master at Arms wins it going away. Tight for place and show Storm This outside of Third Dimension.